Hi, it's Matt from One Week Bath with our continuing series on short videos on design, product selection, and bathroom remodeling. Today we're going to talk a little bit about ventilation fans.
It's another edition of Soak It Up with Matt Plaskoff, bathroom design and remodeling.
Most cities and counties now are going to require active ventilation, even if you have a window. This is a big question that people ask me all the time. Well, I don't understand. We have a window. Why do we need a ventilation fan? And what the cities and counties have figured out is that when it's cold outside, people don't open the window. What they want is they want an active ventilation system in the bathroom. So most, if you don't have one, they're going to require it. They're also going to require that that fan is ventilated out of the bathroom and not just into the attic randomly, but you're going to need that ventilated out, and typically we'll vent those through an existing vent in the roof area or out the side of the building. The other thing that they're typically requiring now, it used to be in the old days that you would have a light switch and you would turn the light switch on and the fan was tied to the light switch, and then everybody would separate the fan and the light switch, and the city got smart and said, no, you can't do that anymore. So now the ventilation fans either have humidistats built into them, or you have to have a humidistat switch on the wall, which essentially allows the fan to go on when the moisture in the bathroom grows, even if you forget to turn it on. The next thing about fans is how much volume they suck out of the bathroom. So back in the day, most of these things were 50 CFM, then they started to get to 80 CFM cubic feet per minute. Now most of them, and a lot of the fans are adjustable to different CFMs, but most of them that we put in are 110. We want the maximum ventilation for the bathroom. There's no reason not to, because most of these fans are super quiet these days, even with that amount of power. Not only can you get a fan, but you can obviously get a heat and a fan. So the heater blows the heat into the room and the fan sucks the air out of the room. So there's that option. And then the third option would be heat vent light combination, where you have a light in the middle. Most of those heat vent light combination fans also have a night light associated with them, which is kind of a good thing, because then you can leave that night light on. It's a low burning night light. And you don't have to turn on a light in the bathroom and get blasted if you have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. That's kind of the primer on ventilation fans. You can check out more of our videos on YouTube. You can go to our website. We post them there. Oftentimes they come up on Instagram and Facebook if you follow us there, and I'll see you next time.